the building, fam. We're currently hurrying. We're actually heading out. Just quickly drinking some tea. We're heading out. I'm trying to hurry up and get dressed. Guys, trying to help Fate figure out some stuff. I just recently just finished showered and trying to get myself together before Mario gets back. Because he's like, you guys better be dressed by the time he gets back. And you already know how it goes. So I'm trying to hurry up. Pardon? What shoe should you want to put on your feet and put one on? Because I don't know if we're going out on the boat. So you guys gotta make sure. Okay, so I'm gonna hurry up and do my makeup quickly, guys, and get myself together. And look, you see your hair still not done yet? Okay. Finish getting dressed. Hubby should be here. Faye, why is the fan on still in the room? Oh Lord. I'm supposed to release this video today for you guys. Oh, let me actually get that done. I gotta call hubby and see where he is. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can get that video released for you guys today. Oh, let me bring this. Oh, I think I have lotion in the other bag. Yeah, okay. So let me bring this. I wonder if he needs anything. So let me see if I could hurry up and get this released, this video. I totally forgot that I'm supposed to release the video, so this video will come out before we leave.
People who have actually ripped off nails and had kids, yes.
So, oh Lord, my dear, those two in there having a full discussion. Clarissa's dressing downstairs. I'm just waiting on hubby, and yeah. So I'm gonna see what he's up to. Okay, let me hurry up and go and do what I'm doing. We're supposed to be gone already. Let me call Mario and see where he is. So I'm gonna, all right, so we are all ready. I'm just gathering the last bit of stuff and we're getting out of here. Okay, let's go. Shoot, I almost fell. All right. Oh gosh. You got what you need, babes? Do you have your sandals or something?
Yes.
Bring your sandals with you.
It's in the garage.
It's supposed to put it in the car.
Yeah, I forgot to get it.
And you guys make sure you have everything you need. Go to the bathroom before we go because it is a bit of a drive. Yes. It's a bit of a drive where we're going. Right. Pardon? Oh, no, tomorrow.
Not tomorrow?
No, and you guys bring the snack. Ow! Shoot, I just stepped on the thing. Okay. All sprayed up. Prayed up. Okay. Let me go use the bathroom myself and then we're heading out. Alright. Okay, so we're all ready. We're all leaving out now because we actually are running late. We're supposed to be gone long time.
Are my headphones in the bag?
I don't know.
In the bag. Ow!
Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Alright. Alright. We are ready to get out of here. Hey. Hello. Hold on. Everybody's in the bed. Yeah, we're ready to go. A nice little family outing. Oh boy. So this should be fun. It's been a while since we had a little, you know, able to get out up here. I don't even know. I don't even know. Okay. Well, all we can do is try to go and see. See what it is. Alright. Get on my specs. Oh Oh Lord, they're doing so much. What are they? Oh, I think they're widening the road. So this would probably just be up, and then over there is gonna be down. Yeah, they're really widening the road. A napkin? Oh yeah. Hold on. You shake up? No, I just shake it up because I poured it out of the cup, and I wanted to make sure. See, they should have just cut something here. I don't know why they should have done that. You know? God, look how far you have to literally drive, come around. So we going on a journey. Oh, we haven't done a road trip in a while. Yeah, this would be a nice. It's been a while since the kids have driven out. Look how quick they're building this mall, eh? Holy! By summer, this will open by. What do you think? Summer or December? December. Oh, see, they're putting Freshco here. Tim Hortons, Starbucks. Let's see the LCBO. Wow. When we get there, we will tell you. This is Mario's first project he ever worked on since he came to Canada. Yeah. Yeah, babe. Where we're taking you guys, it will be the first. This is Mario's first project he worked on, officially worked on, since he came to Canada. When was it finished? This year? No, last year.
I don't remember. You still have some work downstairs.
Yeah, but it's just minor things that's still left to do. But yeah, it was last year. It was finished last year. So yeah. Oh. So we're gonna drive for a little bit, and then I'm gonna catch some views for you guys so you can see. Yeah, we're gonna catch some bushes, some bush. Or what Giselle said, some bush. Welcome to the bush. Yeah. So. Yeah, some dead grass. I don't know. We'll see what we see. Maybe some cows. So definitely, I have not driven this way in so long. I'm excited. I wonder if they're gonna take out the boat today. Oh gosh, you know what I want to do when it become winter? Go on the ice fishing. Up there to go ice fishing. I think that would be nice.
I know.
You'll have a look at. You got a whole hay field over here. Look, you got, what is that one? I forgot that long neck thing. You got sheep and stuff. Oh look, you got donkeys. You got sheep. They look like I got some of them in here.
I mean, let's go.
Oh, they're sheep.
Oh, these look nice.
What do you mean?
I know. Okay. And look at all that. There's water over there. Oh look, they're catching fishes there.
Last time I come up here, this never done.
Project that Mr. Williams worked on, his first project. This house was built from scratch. This was his first house he helped build when he came to Canada. So we're gonna go see fam. We are here. So let's go, kitties. Let's go. Here. Oh, give you guys a little bit of a house tour.
Just about everything in this house.
Yeah, he did. Oh Lord.
Good to see you. You look beautiful as always.
Oh, thank you. Let me just rest my bag here.
Love.
Yeah, I love it. It's different.
I love it.
I love the high ceilings.
Yeah, I don't know what the high ceilings.
Yeah, it just makes it look more open. Yeah, it just looks more open. I like it.
Yeah. And then this is like Doug's
Study
den,
rooms
the
and
den.
yeah, I like this. How it's inside. I love it. The marble looks so beautiful. It's beautiful. Let me take you guys down to the lake and show you. You're just holding up my hand. We are having a nice picnic outside, guys. Oh man, last time obviously the kids them came here. Where's your slippers? Are in the car? Okay, so the kids we're gonna go on the skidoo and stuff.
What is this?
Skidoo.
It's over there.
Oh, the boat.
You remember when you guys went?
Yeah,
So
they
this is
moved
the
out the
deck.
dock, so now it's deep.
Yeah, it's actually deeper. Oh Lord.
Here.
So look at this, guys. Water everywhere. Oh my gosh.
About right here the last time.
This thing scares me just looking at it. Feet so far. Don't do that, feet. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. I know, you know I always get
So the water is a little churned up because it's been so windy up here,
Yeah.
and so the water's all mixed up with the units of grass. So it's just murky.
Murky green. Murky green. Fish, guys. Ooh, oh look. So we are going fishing.
Where is it?
They say, Ziggy, you're missing out. Oh my gosh, Ziggy would have loved this. Anisha. Oh, we're gonna go fishing, guys.
This is deep though.
Oh,
Scared.
so we're setting up. Oh, look at this big one. Oh, look, do you guys see them?
I can't bend because in my.
Oh gosh, I hope this don't fall in. Of course. Oh, this is so nice, you know. It's been a long time coming to see family. We haven't been up here. It's so long. Oh, look at
Where
it.
this used to be, this wasn't here. This was.
You're trying to see if you could catch it, babe, on the camera. Oh, look, there's so much of them. Oh my goodness. So I'm excited to go fishing.
It would only be up to just above her waist.
Waist, yeah.
Right here?
Right here.
So you guys can definitely go in.
Over her head.
No, it's not over.
No, see, and that is nice. On the boat. Well, we're gonna go out on the boat as well and take a spin and go have some fun. Boat! Take this bad boy out! Oh my gosh. And yes, guys, Mario doesn't like boat. Hardly ever goes well. I think it's only one time and he's always afraid to go out on a boat. But today, we are here with our fam. He is going to go out. He's going to go out. Oh, look at these fishes. I'm going to try and see if I could get the GoPro in the water and get you guys a good picture. Yes, guys, as I was saying, this is Mario's first house. He actually helped build in Canada from the ground up. See how marvelous it is? I love it. I love it. So we have not been up here in over more than a year. We have not been up here.
The middle and the rock make it look like this.
I know, so
Like
pretty.
a crystal.
So the kids were a little small the last time they came here, so we're about to set up and have an outdoor family picnic. So me and the girls are here eating. The guys are already getting.
I have 2 cups of bread. I have I have milk.
So we're here eating. The guys are getting ready. Mario's down there. They're
Feel
going on
the
the paddleboard.
sun on my face.
So they are getting ready. I totally forgot to bring a change of clothes for myself because I was so worried. Yeah, you could have it. I was so worried about making sure these guys have their swim trousers and everything, and I forgot to bring stuff for myself. So yeah.
Look at that dog on the front.
That dog's better than you, Memphis.
Okay, now you get up on your knees on that board. Knees.
Center
on
it.
one
Center it.
black Thing, little forward. Move forward. Hold on to the paddle, both hands like this. Look, like this on the ground, on the board. A little further ahead. Oh, not that far. Just on the white. There. Now, one leg at a time. Up, up. One leg. One leg. Your feet are too close together. Move it closer to the edge. Now stand up.
Yes,
Grab the
Memphis.
The end of the paddle with your right hand. End of the paddle. Move your hand up. To
Up.
The end. The very end. Hold it on top. Memphis, hold it on top of the paddle. Yeah. Now put your other hand halfway down on the paddle. Lift it out. Lift the paddle right out. No, up, up. Okay. Put it on the other side. Paddle. Slow. Like this. No, you can turn around. Go like this, Memphis.
Come on the Docker saw.
Doesn't matter. You're just learning. Just move it ahead and back like that. Okay? put it out front again. Same side. Well, you want to go a little further out, okay? That's too shallow.
Come on, yeah, Memphis.
Now you can ram them, Memphis. You can ram them.
Whoa, wait.
Boat, like Bismarck. You know the game? You know those games on the computer where you sink the ships? Well, if you hit the front of his nose, just gently, he'll fall in. Now, Mario, you should move your feet just a little forward, bend your knees, and relax your toes and your muscles. Mario, Memphis, spread your legs a little apart, slowly. Slowly. Okay. Bend your knees. Memphis.
Bend your knees.
That's covered. So just bend your knees a little bit, Memphis. Now paddle either at
Whoa. I'm gonna go check. Everybody's going in the water. Except for me, because I don't have no life jacket. Well, I don't have no change of clothes. So I am not going. Oh. There you see, look at Mario out. Look at this. Look, they're literally gonna collide. You guys are too funny. Like, really? Oh, and there's the girls in there. They're gonna go in.
I can't.
Okay, it's getting shallow.
I can't control you, Memphis.
You guys should go on the skidoo. I didn't bring any clothes, babe. I forgot my clothes.
There has extras. Go.
Yeah, I want to go out on the skidoo. Are you going out on the skidoo?
What's wrong?
Yep. That's the skidoo there. The bike. The bike. The skidoo.
I'll help you on. I'll help.
Okay. Make sure you don't let me fall. If you make me fall, I'm gonna push you in.
Oh, you're gonna push her in. She's already in.
I'll push her in even more.
Nah.
Faith, are you scared?
Play at the bottom.
Can you swim?
No. You're gonna go.
You have to lift the board up because the thing is stuck in the sand. Too shallow.
Walk in the water or something. Sit. Okay, hang on.
No, I'm not coming. I don't want to. I'll come after.
Have fun, Rissa.
I'm gonna see how deep I can go.
Where you gonna go see if you're gonna go by the fishes?
Yeah, if I can go over here.
I'm gonna go sit down and fish.
Oh my god, it's getting deeper.
Oh please, it's not that deep.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, look at Rissa and Mario going all the way out there.
Oh my god, the clay. You wanna feel it, mommy?
Where? What clay?
Oh, my feet are gonna get wet. It's gonna be cold. Okay, wait. Yeah, I can grab some with my feet. Oh my god, you guys
Where
are
are
so
you going?
Bye.
You're going to Jamaica? Wait for me. Look at these two. They're going. You're having a blast. Oh gosh. Oh Lord, Pete, you're so funny. Just running around. Oh my gosh. You're so funny. You win. I got myself some fruits and I'm going to go sit out on the deck. Oh my goodness. So these guys are having fun. The skidoo's out in the water, so I guess that's gonna be the next thing that they're going on. Most fun day. This is the most fun you guys have had all summer. Hey babe, this is the most fun you guys have had all summer. Look at these two. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yeah, you guys are so funny. Look, babe. You ready? You ready for that? Yeah. So I am coming to sit my tushy right here. Ah! Oh shit! Oh my! I didn't even know that it sinked. So, and I can see the fishes right here in the water. What? Look at it. Wet him up! He's coming back for you, Mario. A war, yes. Oh gosh, too bad there wasn't two of them. He's coming! Babe is going.
We're still jumping.
Are you ready, babe? This is his first time on a skidoo. You holding on?
I can't jump in because my hair's gonna get wet.
No.
Remember that mango?
Yeah,
Look
it
at
is.
Mario's holding on for dear life. Yeah.
I'm curious to what.
No, you don't have
Mango?
more mango. You guys are gonna go get your own.
Dad! Dad!
You're jumping.
Go fast!
Look at him. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Look at Mario. Oh my gosh. Wow.
You can't tell say no on the
He
funny.
scared him.
You
I
can't
think he scared him. Oh my god.
You're coming with the water.
tell. See the ball right now.
You're next.
Water, you're not.
Eh? What?
You're next. Hey,
you're not
you
the
took my mango.
You just think
I am
you told
not.
me and then I'm scared, okay? I'm
You're
scared.
not.
We're gonna take. He's gonna take out the boat.
No, I'm
Gotta
gonna
go on the
fall.
boat. The
you're
boat
not.
that's strapped.
Oh gosh, I can't wait to go ice fishing. Face on the skidoo look like he is legitimately having a heart attack right now. I know, he's way out. I can't even see them anymore. Yeah, they're way on the other side of the lake. I don't know if you guys can see way over there. That's where they are. Oh my goodness. So Memphis is next. So once Mario get the hang of it, Memphis run gone. So once Mario get the hang of it, Memphis will be going out. Oh my goodness. So this is the most fun the kids have had all summer. All summer. Okay, let me see if I can get footage. Here they come. So Mario's taking over the driving now. They're right there. Look, Mario's starting to drive. Yes, come on. Wait till you. Hello. Why you come here and eat on my pineapple? I don't want it anymore. Really?
Go, Dad.
Camera.
Huh?
Camera.
Yeah.
Man, I go funny with my own.
Why?
My speed up on purpose. Kind of hard to get.
No, he's too coward. Well, it's not coward. He's getting used to it. So once you get used to it, your whole thing.
Go on.
Well. Oh man.
Never like any farmer boat starting when it comes to water.
I love it.
They have stuff on the dream taste like the Disney boat.
Oh yeah, Disney boat.
Yeah, that one is huge and it is fast.
Oh, the one that went on. Oh. Look at the girls in the back.
My biggest score.
I know, Faith finally put on a life jacket. I can't believe I forgot my clothes, guys. Oh my goodness. But I want to go out on that skidoo. No, I didn't forget them on purpose. Yeah, you can.
No, you have to start from the stand. The rock hole.
It reaches me under here. So if it reaches me under here, that means it's going to reach you lower. Because you're taller than me.
You finally admitted it.
What do you mean I finally admit it? Of course you're taller than me. Like, really? Oh my goodness. So this is nice. Man, this could be my retirement home. Or just move in with them. Oh,
I can't get up, Mom.
I love this by the water. And I'm under a nice shade. You just sit here and look out. Now this is life. This one in COVID wouldn't even be bothering me this much. We spend more time, but the reason we didn't get to come up is because as you know, when it's seniors, you can't really, I know COVID and stuff, so we couldn't come up and see them, but I'm glad we're able to come up and spend some time with them.
What happened to the food?
What happened to the food? Oh, it's inside because the water. Here, you could bring the plate and go get some more. Here, bring the plate and bring me some.
Mother, I'm scared, even though I can stand.
Can you help me?
I'm gonna get the fishing rod. I'm gonna fish, so I could stay here and fish.
We're stuck. Stand
So-
up, get off the board and stand. My girl is scared.
Mario's getting the hang of it. Are you gonna go out? Are you gonna go out on it, Faith?
Huh?
You're allowed 3 people on it. Look at this. They're coming.
Yes! I want to go on so bad. Ah, but I'm hurt.
Where's the baby? You're having fun with the new toys?
Look at
Huh?
here.
Rissa, hold on! Look at her face! Oh my gosh, she's freaking out. You hear her start screaming? You know she can't manage it.
Bye-bye.
There we go! Woo!
All you did is go around in circles.
I can't. I can't.
Faith, are you gonna go on it?
No.
Why? You should go.
It was better than you in Memphis. I know
You should go. Look, Memphis is liking it. I know he would love it.
We're folding, okay? We're folding. We won't die.
Oh my goodness.
Please, come back for me.
Jump in and swim, go get her.
Let's come in the water.
I'm scared.
So yes guys,
scared.
we're having fun. I've not had this much fun in a long time. I am ready to go. Memphis, that one's dead. Oh my gosh, okay, so we're gonna take the GoPro.
Grab my feet. Wait.
Oh, me and hubby are going on it. Gonna go test it out. Going to go test it out. Oh, Lord. Three of them on, they're coming in. Oh my gosh. Look at the 3 of them. Okay, maybe they're not coming in. They're going back out. Oh my goodness. Mario is having fun with this new toy here. It's so funny. Mario's like, where's the seatbelt? There's no seatbelt in boats. Here, thank you, Mario. Oh, here, babes. This is yours. Mario. No, just you asking for a seatbelt in a boat. You make me laugh. I can tell you have not been on a boat. Oh, God.
Has a sweater.
You didn't mark on the bottles whose is whose?
No, we didn't.
This is mine.
This is mine. And then I think
I'll just hold this one.
that's the extra one.
Extra,
Here,
yeah.
pass me the extra bottle. We could put it right here.
Oh.
I'm gonna burst out.
Don't let those blankets fall. So don't let the blankets.
Yeah, make sure you guys hold on to them. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Oh, Mario's first time on the boat.
I'm on the boat.
Nice out here, boy.
That's why I tied my hair down.
Oh.
Otherwise, I'd come back and I can't pull my hair.
Oh. I guess that's what's gonna happen to me. about to head out. Oh my gosh, my hair is a mess. The kids them are all in the back. We had a great day.
I'm drunk, you water drunk me.
And these kids just literally got out of the water, but we just had some pancake and stuff for, well, breakfast. What is it, pancakes and what? Pancakes and fruits. Yes.
My nails came off.
So they're smiling. We are off, guys. Oh, we had an amazing time. Oh Lord, boy, it's cold up here.
I'm in lucky winter then.
I say lucky window, and these kids are about to sleep.
Not even enough to dry me.
Oh, see, they're selling this house here, babe. They're selling this.
I need to wash.
It's like, no, it's not that. Buy the land. Buy the land. Oh, we are on our way home. Don't mind the hair. The hair got a workout. So I guess we will catch you guys back home. You enjoy yourself, babe? Babe went on the boat for the first time, and he went on the water sea-doo for the first time as well, and paddle boat. Yeah, he had a lot of firsts today. I don't know what the hell is going on with my hair.
Me and water and a friend.
Mario water. I'm a water and a friend, and yet he can swim.
I'm being no water.
My water's not friend, and yes, he can swim.
A brave heart, me take us so far, man.
What? Oh my gosh. Well, you guys will see the clips of what took place today. Is that Mario got dashed around. I said, oh man, when I seen Doug, when Doug started, he's like, yeah, just wait till I get him on that. Oh my God. I swear you're gonna have a heart attack. Me say, first thing I said to Memphis when I seen you hanging on the back, I was like, watch, you know, man always talk about them hold on to man waist. Me say, I bet you Memphis ain't gonna have to hold on to Doug.
Me no shame.
Oh my gosh.
No shame, me no. Hold on, I really nick me hold on.
Oh my gosh.
I'll do life me hold on for them.
That's too funny. I'm happy because, you know, today was a lot of firsts for Babe, which was really nice. So for him to experience that, yes, it was really nice.
Chicken out.
Yep, Faith is the only one that chickened out and didn't go on the water sea-doo. So unfortunately, Faith was the only one that didn't go. But she did go on the boat, so you guys will definitely see clips from that.
At the front, and I was
we were gonna go to a different beach, but then there was too much people and people were already drinking and partying over there. That's why we turned around. Yeah, he's like, no, it's way too packed over there. Yeah, I didn't see people there over there drinking and partying, so that's why we didn't end up going to that beach. But we had a great time. But we are on our way home, guys, so we will catch up with you when we reach home. So I'm about to end the vlog here. I just made some fries and nuggets, and that is what we're gonna have. Oh my goodness. So we had a great day today. It was so much fun. You know, Mario got to try a lot of new things, but yeah, we had so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. You know, it was just nice to get out and get a nice scenery. Actually, you guys caught us doing something for fun for once, more than just, you know, because I want to make sure you guys are getting good content and stuff like that, but you know, it's hard. So bear with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come over and join the William family, where it's always a vibes over here. Yes, guys. So we will catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed.
Today a lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me couldn't be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.